The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, well, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. As we dry out, we've been heating up in spite of all the wind, which hit 44 miles an hour here in town today. This is the third day so far in 2018 that we've had 90 degrees. In fact, today we hit 91. And the numbers are going to only climb. By the time we get to October, we'll have over 100 days of 90 plus here. So we've got a lot to look forward to, don't we? All right, small craft advisories offshore have been dropped. Inshore till 7 o'clock tonight. The winds are coming down. Stephania asked earlier about when's are going to improve. Well, the winds are going to start to come down here over the next 24 hours remarkably by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday. Thunderstorms that were in central Texas earlier today have moved on to the north and east. Some showers coming off the Sierra Madre but weakening as they cross the border into the United States here around the Rio Grande Valley. So not to worry, and lots of sunshine again this afternoon after morning clouds making for those hot temperatures. Our frontal system will ease into the area tomorrow night. Again, it's a very weak front, as they always are this time of the year, if they even pass through at all. This will give us a north wind and clean up our humidity here for us over the weekend, and that's certainly good news, as it'll flush out all of this moist air that we have in South Texas right now that's feeding these thunderstorms from St. Louis all the way back down to Tyler, Texas. Cooler air slowly eases in here, but not until after dark on Saturday night as low pressure kicks out. Again, a couple weeks ago, it looked like that low was going to be down here. That's how things change over time with the weather and all the moisture north and east of it. So we're not seeing much, just a little bit down here in Mexico. So we will fire some inland thunder showers tomorrow, maybe 1 or 2 isolated showers near the city tomorrow night. But then that all goes away because the energy is pulling away from us. And by the time we get to Saturday, we're going to be under this ridge of high pressure and this northwesterly flow. This suppresses vertical motion in the atmosphere, and that means no rainfall. And it really amplifies here on Sunday, which promises to be a dynamite day. And the ridge is still in place on Monday and Tuesday and even Wednesday of next week. Severe weather potentials moved out of the state and into the yellow area here in Arkansas tonight. And then tomorrow, we're just looking at a slight risk, marginal risk of severe weather north and west of us. And then that all goes away on Saturday with just a couple non-severe shower activity. Storms perhaps. All right, now here's the winds. They look like this, breezy now, but calming down by tomorrow afternoon to about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Then they really lighten up, but they go north. Yes, north wind and a cold front, very weak, but still happening on Saturday. So weak that the winds are back with a light sea breeze at 8 o'clock at the parade time, but with light winds, that's a winner. And then on Sunday, back to light northerly winds will make for a beautiful day for outdoor plans of any nature here in South Texas. All right, we're looking at, again, isolated inland showers tomorrow afternoon, and then about 10 o'clock tomorrow night, some activity around the region. Looks promising up to the north, but that's going to fall apart because the front is so weak as it pushes through. Rainfall amounts, if it does rain, the heavier amounts will be inland. Here in town, we'll only see a few hundredths of an inch. That's in the areas where it does rain. Temperatures go from the 80s now into the upper 70s by midnight. Still on the breezy side, temperatures drop and hold in the mid-70s by morning. Here is a look at the 7-day forecast. 74 tonight, 87 tomorrow, 69 and 86. Great weather for the parade Saturday night. Less humid and more sun here. Look at the lows in the 60s. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday morning, even Wednesday morning. So some wonderful days ahead, again, beginning on Saturday afternoon, lasting through Tuesday of next week. Lee and Stephania, not bad, huh?
No, not at all.
Not
and you
bad.
know, you just mentioned the parade,
right.
And Water's Edge Park is the place to be right now.